In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social login in WooCommerce. Being able to log in with a social account like Google or Facebook can make things much easier for your customers, and it often increases the number of people who complete checkout. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through adding social login to your WooCommerce store using a popular free plugin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area of your site, where you manage everything from posts to plugins. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins and a small submenu will slide out. From that submenu, click on Add Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new functionality on your site. On the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar in the upper right corner. Click into that search bar, type the word Nextend, and press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search the plugin directory and show you a list of results related to that term. From the search results, look for the plugin called Nextend Social Login and Register. This is the tool we'll use to add social login to your WooCommerce store. Click on the plugin name to open its details page. On the right side, you'll see buttons to install and activate the plugin. Click Install and wait a moment while WordPress downloads and installs it. When the Install button changes to Activate, click Activate to turn the plugin on. After activation, you'll be taken back to your list of installed plugins. Scroll down until you see Nextend Social Login and Register in the list. Under the plugin name, you'll see a few links. Click on the one that says Settings. This will open the main configuration area for the plugin. Here, you'll see several social login providers you can add, such as Google, Facebook, or others. Choose the provider you want to offer your customers by clicking the Getting Started button under that provider. At the top of the next page, click on the Settings tab. In the settings, you'll be asked to enter a client ID and a client secret. These are unique codes you get from the social platform's developer console, and they allow that platform to communicate securely with your website. Paste those values into the appropriate fields. You can also choose whether users should be prompted to select an account every time they log in, or if the system should remember their previous choice. Once you've entered your details and chosen your preferences, scroll down and click Save Changes. After saving, your WooCommerce store will support social login with the provider you just configured, making signups and logins faster and more convenient for your customers.